Hello guys, today we're talking about two words we use a lot in English, which are it and there. Actually, we use these words to replace the subject. When we don't have a natural subject in a sentence, we can use one of these two words in order to replace it. Let me show you how, of course, using examples. Let's get started. So, mainly we use them in order to introduce new information. This is done like this. Let me start with the word there. Here are some examples. There are two birds sitting in the tree. This is to show that something really exists. So the two birds are there. Okay. Secondly, there's a meeting this evening. This is used to show that something is happening, something is going on. Alright, what's going on this evening is a meeting, or maybe a party, or a football match, anything. Something is going on. We can use it also to talk about the amount of something or the number of it. So we can say there are 3 men in the car. Another way of using it is with modal verbs, like there must be a reason for her absence. Somebody is absent and we can find excuses for that. There should be something. It's there. It exists. Alright? And we can also use it with the word seems and appears. Like, there seems to be a mistake here. Something strange. Alright? So you say, oh, there's a mistake here. Okay? So, very simple like this. Alright? Whereas, it is used like this in order to introduce new information. We mainly use it to talk about something which is like unknown, abstract, like when we talk about the weather, when we talk about dates, when we talk about time or something. We usually tend to say something like this: it's 4 o'clock. We don't say the time is 4 o'clock, for example. Alright, we avoid this. We normally say it in order to replace the word time. You see? Or we can say it's my birthday today, which is a date. Okay? When we talk about the weather, we usually refer to it using the pronoun it. We don't say it clearly, like the weather is lovely today. It's not so normal to say, but we can say simply enough in a short way, it's a lovely day, or it's a lovely weather, something like this. We also use it to express our opinions, like it's comfortable in my new apartment. This is my opinion. It's not always true. Not everybody would agree. Okay, I'm expressing my opinion. We can also use it with adjectives, like it was interesting to meet your brother. Okay, interesting is an adjective. We also use it with phrases like looks like and also seems and appear, like in there. Let me show you examples. It looks like the storm is coming. Okay, it looks like the storm is coming. Or it appears that the final exams are delayed, so I'm predicting. Okay, something. So simply enough, when we don't want to say the subject clearly or it's missing in the sentence, it's not in natural position, so use it or there. But you need to be able to differentiate now between the uses of the two, where to use it and where to use there. That's the only point you need to be careful about. Other than that, the matter all in all is very simple. Let's talk about something else. You may notice that look, seem and appear, these verbs, you know, appeared or were used in the previous sentences. So let's just give the structure of the sentence when we have them, the form of it. Look is usually followed by the phrase as if, and then a subject and then a verb. Or it can be followed by the word like plus an NP. An NP is a noun phrase. Here are examples. It looks as if Carol has won. Okay, it looks as if. Or, as in the second example, she looks like a real champion. Here we used like and then a noun phrase, which is a real champion. Okay, whereas Seem and appear, the other two verbs, are used like this. The structure of the sentence would be that, of course optional since it is between parentheses, plus a subject plus a verb. It seems that, you see, optional, it seems that the Brazilians are going to win. Or it appears that one of the customers called the police. So it's like predicting. You see something, a hint, and you predict what's going to happen. Then let's talk about using it and there in order to refer back to something. Usually we use it in order to refer back to something else in a sentence. Why it is related to there? Here's an example to show you. There's a shop at the end of the street. Full stop. It is open every day. Notice the new information is given by using there here in the sentence. Okay, there is a shop at the end of the street, and it here refers back to the shop. It is open every day. That means the shop is open every day. So you see, it refers back to something. We use it like this in order not to repeat the same word again and sound redundant. We replace it by using it. So in order to avoid saying the shop is open every day, so I don't want to repeat the word shop again, I replace it with it. All right. Whereas when we want to refer to a place, we use there. Okay, like this. A famous writer used to live there. There refers to unspecific place. He used to live there. For example, you're standing in a street and you point to a building or to a street, okay, and you tell your friend, well, that guy used to live there. Okay. Or, who's that over there? Again, you're asking about somebody who's just in a place there in the street, for example, and you say, who's that over there? Okay. Now the difference between its and its. They are pronounced the same but written differently. The first one is written with apostrophe and the other one there's no apostrophe. These are somehow confusing words. A lot of learners find it difficult sometimes to differentiate between the two, but here is a hint to help you. Its with apostrophe is a contraction form of the words it and is, or it and has. Okay, we contract them, we make them short like this using its. Whereas its with no apostrophe is the possessive form of it. Okay, it refers to position. Examples: it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day means it is a lovely day. Or it's been ready for weeks. Something has been ready for weeks. It's here means it has. Alright. Some examples about its with no apostrophe are: the tree had lost all of its leaves. Its leaves. So it is, the leaves are the position of the tree. Okay, they belong to the tree. Or we can say Madrid is famous for its art galleries. The art galleries belong to Madrid. Okay. Another pair of confusing words are there and there. Okay, again they are pronounced the same way as the word there also. So now a lot of there's here. We have there and there and there. The first one is the one we just studied in this video. It refers to a place, it replaces the subject. The second one, there, is the contraction form of they are. Again, we make them short and say there. Okay, and finally there is the possessive form of they. They are identical. They are pronounced the same in terms of sounds. They are identical, but in terms of meaning, they aren't. In terms of spelling, also they aren't. They mean different things. Okay, here are examples to show you that difference. I can't believe they're not here yet. It means they are not here yet. My friends have lost their tickets. Their ticket means the tickets that belong to them. They possess these tickets. Alright, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you got benefited from that. Please let me remind you of preparing your notes again as usual, and come to the discussion, come to the class prepared, show progress. God bless you. Thanks again, and bye bye.